Greetings. Sound the trumpet. By Henry Purcell. I think we might have done this one last year. It's a two-parter, so let's do it again. We have soprano and alto on part 1, tenor and bass is part 2. Look at page 4, ladies. Last measure of top of 4. So sound the trumpet all around. On all these melismas, just like in Handel, hound and not hound, hound. Top of 5, let strings and pipe their praise resound. 1. Let strings and pipe their praise resound. Let strings and pipe their praise resound. And then it goes back, and then, but we won't do that right now. Top, bottom of, middle of 5. Sing with joyful voices, joyful voices, with joyful voices, with joyful voices sing, and all that listen in the song unite, unite to praise the Lord, strains of joy, unite to praise the Lord in strains of joy. All that lives join in the song, unite to praise the Lord in strains of joy. Of joy, with skillful music now employ. Come celebrate the glory of the Lord, glory of the Lord. The glory of the Lord. So from the beginning, all right? Sound, just start soft and do a big crescendo. 3, 4. Sound the trumpet. 1. Sound the trumpet, sound, sound, sound the trumpet all around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Middle of 5. This is not including the repeat. Sing with joyful voices. 1, 2, 3. Four, 1, 2.